Welcome back to CarCrafted, the channel where luxury meets horsepower and innovation rides on four wheels. Today, we're diving into something that feels straight out of the future, the 2026 Maybach Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a rolling 5-star suite designed for people who don't just travel, they arrive. From the very first glance, the 2026 Maybach Motorhome sets a new benchmark in luxury mobility. The exterior design blends the signature Maybach elegance with a futuristic motorhome silhouette. You get that iconic chrome grille, sleek LED light bars stretching across the front, and a two-tone paint finish that screams exclusivity. Even parked, it looks like it's moving. Step inside, and this is where things get truly next level. The cabin isn't built like a traditional RV, it feels more like a private jet lounge. Soft, hand-stitched Napa leather covers almost every surface, paired with open-pore wood trims and ambient lighting that adapts to your mood. With just a touch on the digital control panel, you can shift from a calm, relax, lighting mode to a vibrant, entertainment setup. The seating area features fully reclining executive chairs with heating, cooling, and full-body massage functions. There's also a smart privacy glass system that can switch from transparent to opaque instantly, giving you total control over your space. And yes, there's even a built-in fragrance system that keeps the cabin smelling like a luxury hotel suite. Moving further inside, you'll find a fully equipped kitchenette. It includes an induction cooktop, a compact luxury fridge, and hidden storage compartments designed to keep everything perfectly organized. Across from it sits a fold-out dining table with integrated wireless charging surfaces. Now let's talk about the sleeping area. The rear section transforms into a king-size smart bed featuring memory foam cushioning and automatic firmness adjustment. The ceiling above it displays a digital panoramic sky simulation, so you can fall asleep under virtual stars no matter where you park. Technology is another area where this motorhome dominates. The 2026 Maybach Motorhome comes with a full AI-assisted control system. You can manage lighting, temperature, entertainment, security, and navigation using voice commands or a mobile app. There's also a massive 8K retractable display paired with a premium surround sound system, turning the living space into a private theater. Under the hood, this luxury beast runs on a hybrid electric powertrain designed for both performance and efficiency. It delivers smooth, silent acceleration while offering extended range capabilities perfect for long-distance touring. Advanced driver assist features include autonomous highway driving, smart parking, and real-time road condition monitoring. But what truly makes this motorhome special is the experience it delivers. It's not about getting from point A to point B, it's about transforming the journey itself into a lifestyle. So if you could take your home, your office, and a luxury hotel suite on the road all at once, this would be it. Thanks for watching CarCrafted. If you love seeing the future of luxury vehicles, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Because here, we don't just talk about cars, we explore the art of automotive excellence.